Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Kayaking Corner. If you're new here, welcome to Gavin's Kayaking Corner. Today is a Power Ranger Lightning Collection opening. This is the In Space Black Ranger, aka Carlos. Yeah, there you go. So there it is. So we have, let me change the angle. Zoom it out. Oh, it is zoomed out. Carlos head sculpt, the Power Ranger suit in Power Ranger form. The blaster, there we go, it's fine. And the extra fist and the moon lance right there and the power to it. So let's get into it in 3, 2, 1. There it is. So here is the extra head sculpt. This is Carlos, the In Space Black Ranger. Also the second green turbo. Be careful when you open it. He does have a ponytail. Oh, he does have a ponytail, so be careful on that. And then goes on the Power Lance. I think it would go. I'm already out of camera. Sorry about that, guys. And just like that. So there it is. The In Space Blaster. That's really nice. I always wanted one. But I got the In Space more for now. I don't know if you could see it, but it's up there by the White Ranger. Probably not. And then, yeah, here is the figure now. So you could see his head sculpt, the In Space helmet, the colors on the chest, they're pretty good. Double jointed arms. His shoulders move. And then the belt moves. The blaster fits in the belt. There it is. And yeah, the details on the back, 2 peg holes, and the helmet. So we'll get him into the pose, which is a fighting, a little bit of bent in one leg, a lot of bent in the other. Whoa. There we go. Hands up. Where's his extra hands? Did I forget to take them out, or did they go flying? So he is open on one. There is the handless Ranger. Back with a hand now. And this one is not fitting the greatest. So be careful on that. And it's fully extended. He is turned, leaning forward. That's turned. There we go. And he's holding his Power Lance. Or Moon Lance. It can't be, so it's with this one. There we go. So just like that, I'll just use it to help stand. There it is. So here he is. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell notification down below. I post once or twice a week. Just gonna figure out what I'm gonna open up next week, either Wrestlers or some DC Multiverse, or maybe even one of my, I have another Marvel's Legends, so I might open that as well. So you could watch what YouTube recommends here and subscribe right here, and we'll see you in the next video.